QUIXX, repair it yourself. Matte yellowed headlights not only look ugly, but compromise your safety driving at night. But we can help you out. With the QUIXX Headlight Restoration Kit, matte and yellowed headlights will shine brightly again. The professional repair-it-yourself solution by QUIXX. And here we go. First, tape thoroughly on the edges. Then damp the headlight well. Put the 2000 grit sanding paper on the sanding block and damp it. Now sand the headlight with it, using horizontal motions until rough irregularities are removed. Clean the area wet. Now put on the 3000 grit sanding paper. And do a second turn. This time sand with a vertical motion until all small irregularities are removed. Clean wet again. Now put on the 5000 grit sanding paper and damp it. Sand the headlight one last time using horizontal moves again until the surface is smooth and consistent. Wipe and dry. Perfect. Now apply a good amount of plastic polish into the headlight and spread it. Polish the headlight with good pressure in vertical and horizontal motions. The faster and stronger, the better the result. Now apply a good amount of sealer and spread well. Let the sealer sink in for 5 to 10 minutes. Polish all the excess sealer off. Voila! Remove the tape. Perfect! It's gotta look like this, without expensive workshop repairs. Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself with the professional do-it-yourself solutions by QUIXX. We support you regarding other repairs as well. Just see for yourself. QUIXX, repair it yourself.